Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we are going to be taking a look at how to deactivate a Twitter account. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So this process is simple enough, only requires a few steps in order to succeed for it. So here we are on the home screen for Twitter. Now of course you can view your profile if you want to. You don't need to be in the profile in order to do this. So firstly, what you want to do is just below the profile, you'll see the more button just directly there. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then you want to select for the settings just below professional tools. And just below the settings and support, just want to select the settings and privacy. You'll be redirected to another page. Now, as you can see, on the your account area, all the way below, you'll see deactivate your account. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, has our name on it, ProfileTree, and it'll give you the states that it'll deactivate your Twitter account. Your display name will disappear. Public profile will no longer be viewable on Twitter, and all you need to do is simply select deactivate. It's just below there, but I'll not do that for this account. Now you do have 30 days to restore what you've done if you've wrongfully deactivated the account. Now some of the information, as it states, may still be searchable within search engines like Google or Bing. So just take a note of that, but you will be under unknown user or at username. So that's how it will appear on Twitter. But there you go guys, now you know how to deactivate a Twitter account. If you guys enjoyed the video, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.